Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to fix error retrieving information from server Playstore error. So in order to fix this Playstore error, you have to click on settings. Now you have to scroll down and you have to click on additional settings and click on storage. Now you have to search for Google Play Store. So I will find the Google Play Store here. So scroll down and here is the Google Play Store. So you have to click on it. Now you have to clear data of Google Play Store. Clear data. So as you can see, the data and cache has been cleared. Back. Now you have to find Google Play Games, and we have also cleared data of this also. Google Play Games. Now after these steps, just scroll down. So see all the data and cache has been cleared from the Google Play Store. Now you have to click. Scroll down. If your Wi-Fi is on, so you have to disable it and turn on the mobile data. And if your Wi-Fi is on, you have to disable and enable the Wi-Fi. Now scroll down. You have to enable the airplane mode for some like 5 seconds. Now after 5 seconds, you have to disable the airplane mode. So these were all the steps to the error. Now if this error is not solved, reboot your mobile, restart your mobile, and also delete your account from the mobile settings and re-login in your Google accounts from your mobile settings. So this was all the steps to fix the Playstore error. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.